Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, in relation to a video I made, in which I revved up the engine from a car and oil was coming out of the turbo. Someone asked me, how can you know, if the oil comes from the turbo or from the PCV valve? It is very simple. The first thing to do would be to clean the intake, from the PCV valve, to the turbo, and then simply, there you see it, you disconnect the hose that goes from the PCV valve to the air intake, okay? And once this hose is disconnected, you start the engine, and when the engine is hot, you step on the accelerator and see if oil continues to come out. If the PCV valve is disconnected, that oil cannot reach the turbo, and if oil continues to come out of the turbo, you already know that it comes from the turbo itself, okay? Well, here you have this short video. I hope it has been useful, and if so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.